Okay, today we get to do 8.3 part 1, which is where we get to multiply binomials. So what you'll have is two binomials. Remember, a binomial is two pieces being added together. So that's a binomial and that's a binomial. And we're going to multiply them together. So when you do this, it's basically just really fancy distributive property. It's like on the first parenthesis, I want you to take each individual piece, like the x, and I want you to take the x and distribute to everything in the second parentheses. So like x times 3x is 3x squared, and x times 1 is just either 1x or x. Then I want you to do the exact same thing on the bottom. So 6 times 3x is 18x, and 6 times 1 is 6. So then all you need to do now is combine like terms. I see an x and an x, so that would be a grand total answer of 3x squared plus 19x plus 6. Now you'll often hear this called FOIL. FOIL is just a mnemonic device to help us remember what to do. And so what it stands for is the F is for first. Take the first two terms and multiply them together. So x times 3x is 3x squared. Then take the outside terms and multiply those together. So x times 1 is 1x. Then take the inside terms and multiply those together. 6 times 3x is 18x. And last but not least, the L stands for last. 6 times 1 is 6. Combine like terms, you still get the same answer at the very end. However, you should know, there's a lot of math teachers that do not like it when you use the word FOIL. They call it the 4-letter F word. And it's because, it helps you get to the right answer, but it doesn't help you remember what you're doing. And what you're doing is the distributive property. So I don't mind if you guys want to call it the 4-letter F word, FOIL, as long as you remember that you are distributing. And especially in tomorrow's video, it's going to be important that you remember that. So let's try another example together. Okay, here we have another example. I'll start by taking the 2x and distributing it. So 2x times 2x is 4x squared. And 2x times negative 1 is negative 2x. 10 times 2x is 20x. And 10 times negative 1 is negative 10. So combine like terms. That's almost always going to be the two middle numbers, by the way. My final answer is 4x squared plus, a negative 2 plus 20 is 18x minus 10. Okay, there you have it. I'll see you tomorrow. If you guys want to see Eduardo, he's out having a good swim right now. He's looking at you.